Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make burger bread. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of warm milk, 2 and 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast, 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1 teaspoon of salt. Don't forget 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter and 1 large egg. These ingredients will form the foundation of your delicious homemade burger buns, ensuring a soft and flavorful result every time. Now let's get our dough started. In a large bowl, combine the warm milk, yeast, and sugar, letting it sit for about 5 minutes until foamy. Then add the flour, salt, egg, and softened butter. Mix until a shaggy dough forms, then turn it out onto a lightly floured surface. Knead the dough for 8 to 10 minutes. You're looking for a smooth, elastic texture that springs back when gently poked, indicating proper gluten development. After kneading, it's time for the first proof. Place your dough in a lightly greased bowl, cover it with plastic wrap, and let it rise in a warm place for about 1 hour or until it has doubled in size. Once risen, gently punch down the dough and divide it into 8 equal pieces, each weighing approximately 3 ounces. Shape each piece into a smooth, tight ball, then arrange them on a parchment-lined baking sheet, leaving space between each bun. For the final step, let your shaped buns proof for a second time, about 30 to 45 minutes until visibly puffy. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Before baking, brush the tops of the buns with an egg wash, which gives them a beautiful golden brown color and a slight sheen. Bake for 15 to 18 minutes, or until they are perfectly golden. Let them cool completely on a wire rack before slicing and enjoying your homemade burger bread.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.